Hi, in this video I will show you how you can use Byteline Web Scraper and its Chrome extension to easily scrape any website. And you can also send the scrape data directly to any of the integrations supported by Byteline, for example Airtable, Google Sheets and others. So let's start. So let's first create a Byteline flow, and this is the Byteline console. So once you sign up, you are logged in here. So we're gonna create a new flow here. Let's call it Scrape Coinbase, and I'm gonna use scheduler as a trigger. So which means it's gonna run based on whatever duration is configured in the scheduler. So for this flow, I'm gonna do it hourly, and let's run it every couple of hours. So now the next node that we're going to add is Web Scraper, and here we will configure all the details of the data that we want to scrape from this website. This is Coinbase, and we're going to get all the values of these coins. So let's configure this Web Scraper task node. So you click on this edit button, and then you are on this screen. So the first thing you configure is the URL, which you can just easily copy from here. And then rest of the attributes. So for example, we're gonna configure this table. So all the data that you want to configure, you can directly select using the Byteline Chrome extension. And you can get the link to the Chrome extension from here. So if you can just click on this link, it will take you to the Byteline Web Scraper Chrome extension page, and you can easily add it to the browser. So now I have already installed it, so I'm gonna enable it from here. Let's enable it. And once the extension is enabled, so as you move your cursor, it's gonna highlight the elements that are selected. So now, so we're gonna scrape the name of the coin, symbol, and its price. So once you are on the selected element, so double click. So then it shows up this select dialog, and here you can pick, like, whether you want to select the text, and it shows the preview here. So in this case it's Bitcoin, or you can select a rich text, which is like, if you want to copy the text along with its formatting, which is not valid for this scenario, but like say you want to copy a description from somewhere, so you can use that. And you can also specify link. So in this case, this Bitcoin, like as you can see my cursor here, it's also a link. So if you select this, then it's gonna scrape the link instead of the text value. So let's just pick text for this. And so now you have to choose between whether you want to scrape a single element or a repeating element. Now, because this is a table, it's gonna be a repeating element. So let's click this, and now you go back to your console here and just click on this big paste from Chrome extension button. So once you click it, so it creates the this value based on what you have selected from the website. And so this is the main array of the data that we're gonna get from the scraper. So we'll just call it coins, and this one is the name of the coin. So we're gonna call it name. Now let's move to the next column. So this one is the symbol of the coin. So again you will select repeating element. So again go back here and click on the space from Chrome extension. This is symbol, and the next thing is price. So again it's a repeating element. So see, that way, like, you can keep on selecting the elements that you want to scrape from this Chrome extension, and just keep on clicking the space from Chrome extension button here, and then just like specify the what name you want to give that field. So for this Coinbase, we just need these three fields, and now let's just save it, and then let's do test run. Okay, so the scrape is successful. So now you can look at the data by clicking on this I button. So these are all the values. And now going back to the flow, so now you can easily export this data into any of the supported integrations. So for example, if you want to go send this data to Airtable, so you can pick this task node, and you can just configure this node, which we have shown in other videos. And then if you want to send it to Google Sheets, you can use this task, and then say you just want to email this data. So then we also have the send email task node, and we are keep on adding new and new extensions, so you can just use whatever you need. So thanks for watching the video, and I hope it was helpful. Thank you.